Toppings are back. Toppings, toppings, toppings are back.
Look, there's that horrible woman. Don't point. And for your information, she is not in the least horrible. But she's just a bundle of rags. When will you learn to look past what you see? Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is toppings from you. Feed the birds, toppings are back. Toppings, toppings, toppings are back. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. What are you doing? I'm going to give her my sixpence. Oh, what a waste. Oh, that's a matter of opinion. Here, one bag, please. Save your sixpence. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Beast birds, toppings are back. Toppings, toppings, toppings are back. Toppings, toppings.